Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Ethereum with Payoneer. What you need to do? First you need to go to this site paxful.com and then here buy Bitcoin. Just select Ethereum and then pay via, click here, show all, and just scroll down and then choose Payoneer. I want to spend, then enter here the amount you want to spend and then click find offers. You can see here I got some offers. This one he got 2,630 likes, and this one 570, and here other one 4,883. Then just I can select anyone and then just click buy. This is what you need to do if you want to buy Ethereum with Payoneer. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.